What is your name?
My name is Wendelin Owerta,
What is your age?
37 years old,
What year were you born?
1978.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No,
Do you have a valid passport?
no,
Do you smoke?
no,
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to support my family.
What is your hometown?
Mindanao,
What is your level of education?
high school graduate.
Are you married or single?
Single, but I have my live-in partner.
Do you have children?
Yes,
How many are they?
4,
How old are they?
16, 13, 8, and 1-year-old.
Who takes care of them?
My family,
How many people are in your family?
6.
Are your parents alive?
No,
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
no,
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
my family,
Do you have any debts, either here or in your home country?
no,
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
no,
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Cleaning, cooking, and housekeeping.
What do you enjoy the least?
No,
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
no,
Are you afraid of pets?
yes, but I'm willing to take care of them.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I talk to them humbly.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes,
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
yes,
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
both.
How many hours each day did you work?
8 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No,
If not, would you be willing to attend such a course?
yes.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
I bring him to clinic or to the hospital.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I talk to them nicely and tell them the good things.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes,
Can you cook?
yes,
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes,
Can you speak Cantonese?
no,
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Watching TV.
Do you have any special skills like dancing or painting?
No.
What is your message to your employer?
Hi, Madam. I'm Wendelin Huerta, 37 years old. Please select me and to support my family. I need job urgent.
Recite or sing one nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above in the sky, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you very much. Good luck and God bless.